Thank you very much for accepting to answer a few questions. Could you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Sung-woo Kim. I'm Regional Head of KPMG Asia Pacific of Climate Change and Sustainability Practice.
Okay. Is this your first ASEF?
No, this is my third day in here.
Okay, but first time you come to ASEF?
No, this is my sixth time. I have spoken for the last 6 years.
Okay, okay, very good. What is your impression of this ASEF so far?
I think it's like Bindu said at the opening. This is becoming the community rather than just forum. So we are. I'm just. Whenever I come here, I know more and more people are like a friends. You know, we just meet every once a year.
Okay, very good. Have you joined our LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter?
No, sorry.
No, this is our community tools. Please join. Anything that compelled your mind? Any innovative solution? Any specific challenge you've heard and you'd like to comment on?
Well, like I said in the plenary session, which was pretty provocative, I think that managing this region, there are more and more discrepancy between public and private, and more discrepancy between the developing country and the developed countries. But we really have to narrow that gap to fight this climate changing world. So I see there is some role that I can play to narrow that gap.
Okay.
And I think this ASEF is doing a pretty good job to sort of providing platform to people can exchange their information and have some network and recognize the problems and part of the solutions, hopefully.
Okay. How do you think ASEF could make even more impact apart from meeting here once a year? What else could we do to promote clean energy?
I think that one of the good way is bring the private sectors, like, you know, big potential investors, you know, quantitatively. I mean, the big investors, bring them to here and introduce some public sectors, the project portfolios to be invested. Then the private sectors would be very interested in those kind of, you know, the project opportunities, while the public sector can listen to what they need to invest in and what the public sector should do to draw their money in. So I'm not talking about, you know, small piece of just investment money. I'm talking about, like, you know, the $1 billion or tens of $1 billion of investors. There are many private fund managers and fund investors and so on. So I think if you can provide that kind of platform, it'd be great.
Right. Very interesting. Thank you.
That's the first one.
Anything else you would like to suggest for us to improve for next year?
That's it. That's the thing. Just one thing.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.